Hello everyone, my name is Tracy from Ledtop, and welcome to our booth in InfoComm 2024. Here I want to introduce our new product for rental use, Dragon Series Indoor Anti-Collision 2.6. This product, the refresh rate can be 7,680. The grayscale can be more than 16 bits. And the product size can be 500 by 500 and 500 by 1 meter. For outdoor, here, we have developed a new product with the full black 3.9 and with the normal 3.9. You can see the high brightness and the high contrast ratio. Yeah. If you want to know more information, please visit our website www.ledtop.com. Thank you.